Hey guys, so today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I figured that I've spent enough time doing the walkthrough, review and how-to videos, but I haven't had a chance yet to show you the most important part. So that of course is actually using it all. So a bunch of us are headed down south for the long weekend, so I figured I'd bring you along and show you what camping looks like in the beautiful southwest. I tell you what, not packing enough bedding is a mistake you'll only ever make one time. I remember a couple of years back, me and Bianca went on a weekend camping trip up to Two Rocks, which is about an hour or so north of Perth, right on the beach, beautiful spot. But basically we both thought the other person had packed the bedding. Turns out we get there and we've got a blanket maybe about this thickness to share between us for the night. That was a cold night, but safe to say since then we basically double, triple, quadruple check we've got enough bedding. There's already a sleeping bag that lives in the tent anyway, just in case we forget again, but I'll also be bringing a couple of extra dooners as well, I think. You guys already know how this goes, don't ya? If I don't pack them, I'll want to take the canopy off, but now that I'm chucking them in, they'll probably stay in the back the whole weekend. By the way, if you guys have any clever ideas on ways to store the legs when I'm away, please let me know in the comments down below. I've got a few ideas percolating in the back of my mind, but I'm sure someone out there solved this problem in a way much better than I could achieve, so let me know. But changed my mind, they're not going there. I always forget just how annoying it is to store these legs when you're away. I think every time I go away, I try a different storage system. Like just before I had the top pieces leaned up on the right of the drawers. Nothing works, so I always end up having to resort back to just dumping the pieces on the drawers and then strapping them down. But even that, you've got to make a bit of a mess to actually get it so it's secure, because if you just put one strap over all the pieces, you'll find no matter how tight you pull it, the pieces will still kind of move around independently and they'll rattle and just move around. So what I've had to do is strap all the pieces into a bundle with the orange strap and then strap that whole bundle to the drawers with this blue strap here. It's not pretty, it's a bit of a mess, but that's not going anywhere. It's pretty solid. Alrighty, so we're all set. So as much as I'd love to just jump in the car and head down now, it's only midweek, I've just been getting ready a little bit early, a bit excited to get away. So let's just flash forward a couple of days until it's the end of the week. Sorry, that was supposed to work. Let's try it again. Alrighty, that's more like it. The weekend's here, so let's get on the road. How come whenever you plan a camping trip, that's always the weekend you get the big rain? Tonight we're staying in a house, which is going to be nice given the weather's a bit crazy and we won't be down there until dark. Meet up with everyone, stay in a house, and then tomorrow morning first light we'll head out and find a sweet camping spot. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading camping approximately just over where you can see the darkest patch of those storm clouds on the horizon. See the poor bin suffered a bit of a catastrophe last night.
Severe weather warning coming in, but we're still going to head out.
Yeah, well, should only make for some more exciting camping. Looking forward to testing out the rooftop tent in some more severe rain than before. And wind. Got the awnings ready to go. Bit of a sidewall situation maybe. We'll see how we go. Let's get on the road. Well, that didn't take very long. The weather's already upon us. Should make it interesting getting out there. Well, even just getting out of town, to be honest. Doing some dishes.
Yeah. All my dishes. Our handy removable sink.
I should probably help, shouldn't I? Going for a drive through the Bridgetown bush. Good activity to do when you're out camping. This is the most scenic place. Sheep. Look at them all. Meh.
Idiot. Daniel's sense of direction. Did you come in on this road yesterday?
Bridgetown Road. Yeah, that's the one.
Are you sure?
I'll get us back to camp.
Oh god.
Watch this.
Confidence
Now we,
level
like,
100.
Transition to like the sun going down. Alrighty, all good things must come to an end, so we're finishing up our 3-day weekend camping trip to Bridgetown. Pretty wet one this weekend, but all good fun nonetheless. Got to test out the awning, the sidewall, the rooftop tent in some pretty heavy rain and wind. All held up fantastically well, so super stoked with that. Got to do some beer batter fries for the first time last night cooking. It's all good fun to experiment with new camp cooking ideas every now and then. That was a great success too. Might even do a video on those one day, but yeah, great fun heading back to Perth now after the weekend. All good. Cheers for coming along.